Hey, Mason.
What's up?
You know what the last thing I did last night is?
Let's say brush your teeth.
That's actually yes.
Okay.
Technically, but also practically every night before I go to bed, I make a Nourishing Nettle Infusion.
Yeah, that's a good one. I do that as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then it's like the first thing I do in the morning, too.
You like strain it out?
Strain it out,
Totally.
yeah. So it's like nettle at night, nettle in the morning, and then I drink it all day long. So it's like
So good.
nettle.
Nettle all day, every day.
And nettle all day, every day. We're so excited to bring you the Nettle Immersion. So this idea, do you remember in the beginning, it was like...
Yeah, we said we were going to do like a short little 20-minute class. Yeah,
we just thought it'd be like fun. Like, you're so simple, so quick. That's like, that's the thing we do. We take a little idea and we just keep growing it bigger and bigger.
We can't help ourselves. What do you call it? Our toxic trait?
Yeah, our toxic trait.
Or maybe not so toxic.
I say it in jest. Like, we end up creating cool things.
Yeah, so what was originally going to be like a 20-minute course or something is now over 100 minutes long.
Yeah, it's funny. We took bets on that.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be like 40 minutes, and you were like, no, I bet it's an hour. And we ended up like 100 minutes, and it's like action-packed. So yeah, we took that small idea. I spent weeks researching nettle.
You really did. And you already knew a lot about nettle at the time.
Yeah. So I just dived deep. We kept going. We went out into the forest. We filmed it for you. We had a really good time filming. But then we started thinking more like, okay, so we have 100 minutes of nettle class. Everything we could pour into it, we did. But then we started thinking like, oh, we need a bigger container for this. And I know you and I talk a lot about like our favorite things about folk methodology, about the plant community is...
community.
It's the community. So we didn't want to do a DIY course. We wanted to do something that was more inclusive, more togetherness. And so we came up with some other ideas.
When you say DIY course, what are you kind of referring to?
Like someone just logs in, they watch it, they leave. So they're all on their own. Like there's just no interaction. It's just like, okay, I watched a video.
And our hopes and dreams are for there to be a lot of interaction.
Yeah.
Because one of the components to this course is a 30-day nettle challenge.
Yeah, which I'm super excited for. We're going to be like loosey-goosey. Like people could do 30 days of nourishing herbal infusions. They could do 30 days of taking the tincture or eating or all three. Right? It doesn't have to be one or the other. But basically 30-day commitment to experiencing nettle every single day. And so that was another idea we had. And then we started talking about it some more and we thought, wow, all these people are going to have nettle every single day for 30 days. They're going to be different at the other side of that. And we should record that. Yeah. So we came up with this idea to do a health survey. It's going to be anonymous, but you can fill out this form.
And optional.
Yeah. Do it, though.
Yeah, for sure. I'm going to do it. You're going to do it.
I'm going to do it. Yeah. And fill out this form, like kind of looking at different health parameters that nettle often addresses. We'll do it before. Then we'll all experience nettles for 30 days and we'll do it after. And then we'll look at that as like a broad group because again, it's anonymous. We're not looking at individual stuff. We'll just look at the pie charts and the bars and everything and see how things changed. That's going to be cool.
You spent a lot of time creating that health challenge.
Yeah. Well, it was like this idea. And then it was like, okay, that's a cool idea. How do we actually make that work?
Yeah.
Hopefully we've made it work.
Yeah, we'll see. No, I'm sure it'll be smashing success. What form are you going to take? I think I know.
I'm actually traveling a bit during, so
sure.
I'm going to be the duo.
Oh,
like,
cool.
I'm going to do infusion when I can, and I'm going to do tincture when I can.
Right, yeah, when you don't have the time or whatever. Yeah, I'm going to do the nettle infusion for sure.
Yeah.
So, no, that's a super fun component of the course. What else we got going on?
Well, I love cooking with nettle and doing all sorts of things with nettle. Like there's just no one way to bring nettle into your life. So we did a whole little ebook. It's like 30-page ebook.
33 pages.
33 ebook. Yeah, it contains a copyright page. But,
okay, fair enough. Fair, we won't count that.
All my nettle recipes, everything from like savory breakfast to a cake with nettles to teas. So yeah, we got that going on. And then we thought, okay, so we're like building this container, right? Remember it started a little idea. Now we're like building this container and we have 100 minutes of class. We have the cookbook, we have the nettle challenge, we have the health survey. And then we're like, well, we might as well help reinforce information. So now we have a quiz. And I was like, well, if we have a quiz,
I forgot about the quiz.
We have a quiz, then we might as well offer up a certificate too. So this is a nettle lovers certificate.
Our first graduate was Ertica Smith.
Yeah, Ertica Smith has successfully graduated. And this is for fun, but it's beautiful. Yeah, I will say that.
I did want to go back to the recipes and the 30-day challenge. Part of when you take the course, you actually have access to a 20% off Mountain Rose Herbs discount, which I'll be doing their Nourishing Herbal Infusions. So if you choose to do that as well, it's 20% off their entire store, but you'll save a good chunk of money just buying bulk nettles.
Yeah, even the extract. Like I'm going to get the tincture from them.
For sure. Yeah. So that's a pretty sweet deal.
Yeah. So we've created this whole container. There's also the community forum, so we can be interacting with folks, sharing. Like it's not like we're going to like just talk about it the first day and then like do our nettle challenges on our own. We have the forum where we can like talk about things, troubleshoot if necessary, just share our love of nettle. And then after all of that, after we have our 30 days of nettle, our community interactions, we're going to do a live call. And so everyone can join. It'll be a Zoom thing and people can share about their experiences because we're all going to have our own level of just experience and relationship with nettle, and we all grow when we all share. So that's going to be fun too.
That'll be a lot of fun.
So we're enrolling the Nettle Immersion right now. You can go to nettleimmersion.com, check it out, check out show notes, get the link there. This is only enrolling until April 12th. We have to put a cap on it because we're doing this whole 30-day challenge together and everything. So this is the time to check it out. We have done our best to make it super fun, super informative and affordable. So we're just hoping to really welcome our whole community in so we can all have this experience together.
Yes, absolutely. And you know, we did forget another part of the course. When you purchase the course, you have the option to become a micro sponsor for an upcoming Herbalist Hour episode. That'll be for the YouTube specific. So basically what you'll do is you'll list your name and or herbal business if you so choose. And then we'll have these scrolling credits thanking you for participating in the nettle course. Yeah,
so the micro sponsorship is our way of just showing our deep gratitude for you because we have so many ideas. We already talked about it. It's like our toxic trait. We take these small ideas and they get bigger and bigger. We have so many fun ideas of things we want to do for you, the herbal community. These things cost money. They cost, videographer fees, editing fees, camera equipment, travel. And at this point, we have just poured our heart and energy and money out of our pockets into these projects. But we just can't keep doing that forever. So, so now we've created the Nettle Immersion experience as a way to create community and to also have a container so that we can keep funding these projects. We're basically independent herbal media, and we need your support in order to keep bringing our projects to life. So we're hoping this is a fun win-win, right? We get to do all these fun things together. And are you going to buy a yacht with your money?
No.
No, we just need to like cover our costs. We've been donating our time and energy and really just need to cover our costs so we can keep bringing these things. We have so many fun things planned.
Oh yeah.
I kind of want to tell, but we're just going to keep it a surprise.
Exactly.
Yeah, we're never short of ideas.
That's for sure.
Yeah, we're just excited for this. So your support means so much to us. And so the micro sponsorship is a way of just acknowledging that support and acknowledging your help with independent herbal media and helping keep these projects afloat, or projects like Herbalist After Hours, for example, which is one of our projects that we have currently going and one of many projects we want to do.
Yeah, the micro sponsorship is a really fun idea, but not to detract from like the course is amazing in itself. So we just wanted to throw that in there as a little bonus.
Well, it's our gratitude, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. All right, so one more time, register by April 12th, 2026 for the Nettle Immersion. You can learn more at nettleimmersion.com. And anything else you want to say?
I'm just so excited to get started. So excited to see folks coming in. So excited for all the nettle love.
Yeah.
You love nettle.
That's a good one.
I love nettle. You love nettle. Let's love nettle together.
Thanks.
Bye.